And Karen and the girls, this beautiful, awesome Sunday morning. Just want to show you we're down in our woods along the creek, of course. And we've got a lot of snow. It's heavy snow too. But I'll shut up for a second. You can listen to the creek, but also see how much branches and snows over the top of the creek. By the way, this area is about 50 feet wide. Sure doesn't look it. Of course, this video isn't gonna be anything like the real thing being here. Matter of fact, last night at, what time was it? 10 o'clock, whatever. We were down here, and I don't have the camera type of capabilities to do super low light to really show it off, but it was magnificent 10 times over. Still is. But it was a different world. As a friend of mine said who was here recently, it's total immersion, all your senses. It's not just sight. It's sound, smell, it's the feel. But the sound is so unique. When the snow is covered, it's a different sound. It's like you're in a sound booth almost. But I'm gonna pause this for a second and show you some more maybe down the road here. This is from another angle. Now let's scan upwards. I'll scan over here to my left. This is another beautiful view. It is so cool walking in this direction through our trail that way. Well, every direction is so cool. And over there, you can just see my bridge a little bit. Oh, the girls, they left without me. Well, I'll stop this again. And there's Karen. The girls must be ahead of her. Oh, look at this little branch. It's like a 6-foot branch that Macy was dragging around. 5 times bigger than she is. Okay. The girls just came blowing past me. Oh, now we're at the campgrounds. Looking down on the creek, my bridge. Water level came up appreciably, about a foot yesterday. Let's look down the street here. And there's the girls playing. Okay, let's go this way. Really looks cool down here at the cove area, right off of the creek here. under this massive evergreen tree. Looks so pretty down there. So serene. Okay. Another tree came down, actually two. What we're looking at there's, easily 35, 40 feet of tree. A little more cleanup work to do.
Oh, there's that one that was leaning so bad.
Oh yeah, let's look at that one. That's still there and that. What the? Oh, that's the one that snapped off, Karen. Oh yeah, that was the one that was leaning.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, right there's the... Where the heck is it here now? Yeah, right there's the top. Or the... Where it's the top now. That's about close to 20 feet up. Right there. Where it snapped off. Yeah, that was a leaning one. In other pictures I've taken, you've seen it leaning like crazy. That's finally snapped. Wow. This is a big, wide trail. I mean, my God, this is 70, 80 feet wide here. But again, you can drive tractors and everything else through it, vehicles. But you can't tell by looking now. Wow. Now let's see what other stuff we see. Now this is in just the edge of Mother Nature's flower garden, but it just knocked everything flat practically. Well, not practically, it pretty much did. But I just want you to see, that's across the creek, up the ridge into our other woods. Wow. Wow. Almost unrecognizable to us. Wow. Wonder how many or what snapped off trees up there. We won't find out today, but next day or so we will. My goodness. Just amazing. Just beautiful. Beautiful. See if we can see over here up the stream a little bit. Oh, I can't see too much. Everything's so covered. It's so weighted down. Can't hardly see the... I can't really see the creek. Obviously all this water's coming right through there. There's a creek, but can't tell. Wow. Oh my God. Macy loves the snow. Well, Tessa loves the snow. I think I said this before, but every one of our dogs we've ever had loves the snow. We love the snow too. And this is another view of the cove. I'll do a 360 here. Going back to the bridge. Now I'm gonna stop this again for a moment here. And now we're finally back up in our backyard. We're gonna walk through the tunnel of love here. This goes right along our barn and up right by our house almost. another sensation itself. Come join us. You have no idea what you're missing. You'll leave a changed person. Guaranteed. Again, from Dan, Karen, the girls, Machias, New York. Have a great Sunday. Bye now.